Hello beautiful people, you're welcome to Treasurable Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful rose roll. They are very easy to make and you want to stay to the end of this video so you don't miss any part. And that being said, let's get started. In my bowl, I'm going to go in with 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I will sieve the flour and it's very necessary for you to sieve so that if there is any dirt in the flour, you just sieve it out. Once that is done, I'll go in with 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. You can increase the quantity of the sugar if you want. Then after adding the sugar, I will then go in with half tablespoon of salt. I'll mix this together. Once that is done, I will go in with 15 ml of vegetable oil. I will mix everything together. I will then go in with half cup of water, but I will not add everything once. I'm going to add it bit by bit. I'll go in with the first batch and mix together with my spatula. But once it becomes thicker, once it's hard for me to mix using the spatula, then I will now go in with my hands and add the remaining water and mix everything together. If you don't want to use brown sugar, you can use any sugar you have. You can use white sugar. Preferable is sugar. You can even use honey. It must not be sugar. Anything that you want to make it sweet. And if you also want to increase the quantity of sugar, go ahead and do that. But I just want to use this recipe to show you how to make this rose. I don't know how the thing is sounding, but it's kind of funny. So once I was done mixing to form a dough, look at how soft my dough is, guys. Then I'll cover this and allow to rest for about 10 minutes. There is no yeast, so it's not going to rise, just for it to just rest. Once that is done, I'm going to remove this and transfer to my working surface. In my working surface, I'll sprinkle a little bit of flour. Then I'll add my dough. I will divide this dough into 6 sizes, but you can make it 2, you can make it 3, depends on what you want. The bigger your dough, the bigger your rolls. I want mine to be small so that it can fry well. But if you are baking it, I would advise you should do a bigger roll because it's going to bake from the inside out. But if you are frying it, it's advisable to do the sizes that I did. So guys, that being said, let's continue. So I'm going to roll my dough out. I roll it flat and I will make sure, even if it's not equal, you use your knife or whatever thing you have to shape it so that it can look a little bit equal for the roll to come out fine. So this is how I'm going to shape it. I'm going to remove the excess that are not aligning with the dough. Then once I'm done with that, I'm going to cut out the shape that will enable me bring out the shape of the rolls. So once you roll your dough like this, then you make it look equal. You trim it till it's looking a little bit equal. Then before you cut it like this, make sure you give a little gap from the beginning. Then you slice it into 3, just the way you're saying me do. If you notice, the beginning of the dough, I leave a little space. So just leave that space like that and you do it like this. The easiest way to explain this is just for you to make it like the way you're doing bread. You bring this one in, you put it across and you repeat the process again. Put them together and you roll it forward just like this. I'm going to repeat this process for the second time, and the third one is the one that I already did. Guys, are you seeing how beautiful this rose is? Once you've rolled it like that, then you just use your hand and press it down just like this. Then you see the lines that you plated will be showing at the down. Very beautiful, right? So guys, let's do this again. But wait a minute, have you give this video a thumbs up? If you've not, what are you waiting for? That is the only thing you can use to appreciate me for creating this video. That is not much to ask, guys. Please give me a thumbs up. It will go a long way. So let's continue. This is the second one that I'm doing. Are you seeing it? Just have to observe it. I don't know how to explain it that you understand it better, but seeing is believing. So just do as you are seeing me do in this video. Once you are doing yours, you see that it's very easy to do and it's something that you enjoy doing, and the outcome, you will love it. Now watch how I'm going to roll it again for the second time. Just roll it upward just like this. Then you see that part that you left. That is where you start from. That is where the flour will start from. Are you seeing it? Beautiful, right? So the last one is I divide the dough into 2, sorry. Then I weave it tiny. So this one now they are kind of smaller rolls compared to the first one I did. These are the smaller version. So I roll it bigger and I cut it into 2. Then I roll it separately, just like this. and they come out fine, but they are a little bit smaller than the ones that I did. So this is just how you're going to get your rolls. So guys, then we head over to frying. So these are what we call rose roll. The name is very funny, but that was the name I gave it, guys. So, and it was really good, and it was tasting delicious. So guys, this is all I got from it. Then I'll head over to my frying pan, then I'll fry this. Once the oil is a little bit hot, I'm just going to place my rose roll inside and fry. Guys, make sure you're using oil that is more, so that to cover it and fry very well. Omo, they are so fine, and it was scenting very amazing, guys, and it fried from the inside out, and you did not even get burnt. So guys, I hope you give this a try. It's a very lovely recipe and something that your kids will love. People around you, if you do it and give it to them, they'll be curious, how were you able to come up with this beautiful shape? So guys, I hope you give it a try. Do let me know in the comment section if you try it out. So this is when I open it. You will know that it's really fried from inside out. Everything was looking really good, and the taste was amazing. So thanks for watching, and you are welcome. For those that will tell me thank you in the comment section, I am waiting for your feedback, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.